Hi everyone, welcome back. We're so happy and excited to get this unboxing video uploaded. Please stay tuned with Kash as he will be unboxing and build this amazing Lego Friends nature glamping toy set for his sister Sophia. Let's get started. And it's going to be fun to go camping in style with Mia and Olivia. So come on, let's help them set up their luxurious glamping tent in this beautiful countryside. Anyway, shall we take a quick look what's inside this tent? It has proper beds and a beauty corner. Can you believe that? How I wish my genie can get me a real glamping tent. Anyway, let's get started, shall we? With its tactile, soft plastic roof, kids will definitely love building this beautiful tent. And besides the instruction booklet, you also can download the live app so your kids can watch the toy camp take shape. It's going to be lots of fun for them. Sophia, let's introduce your two new friends, Mia and Olivia. They're so gorgeous, right?
Yes, they are so gorgeous. Look, they have a beautiful bicycle.
Today, Kash and Sophia will have an immersive camping experience with this playset. Well, I just can't wait to see them playing with their toy squirrel or simply pretend to stargaze with the telescope. So much fun! So in the meantime, stay tuned till the end of the video as we will reveal more fun features about this play toy. As you can see here, Kash is assembling the base of the campfire for these two girls to have a cozy evening as well as to brighten up the campsite.
Look, Mia, your telescope is ready. Okay girls, your hot tub is ready. Oh, thank you, Kash.
And here comes Olivia by the campfire to roast a marshmallow.
Oh, Annie, I'm so sleepy now. Oh yeah, me too. Now the tent's ready, we are going to play. Let's see what is inside the tent. There are two beautiful beds. Olivia's inside the tent and busy talking in the phone. Hello, Olivia. Okay. There are two beautiful beds. They have hairbrush, lipstick, and flashlight. Olivia is busy taking pictures. Mia's in the pool having fun. Olivia and Mia went to the woods and picked apple and cherry. Let's go. Olivia, I'm going spanking. Bye-bye. Okay, sweetie, bye-bye. Olivia standing by the campfire and roasting marshmallow. Me and my friends Cookie the squirrel. Okay friends, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed. Meet again. Bye bye.